Hello everyone, it's me Khurram here for you. Today in this video, I'm going to suggest you how you can reduce your weight at home with a natural ingredient. Today here in this video, I'm going to suggest you a tea that you can make at your home and you just take it and you can reduce your weight. So guys, now we are going to start our video and now I'm going to divide this video into three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and the second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and the last part, it would be our procedure where I will let you know what you have to do. So guys, now we are going to start our first part of the video where I will share with you the benefits of the ingredient. Turmeric and the lemon is the powerful combination that will help you tackle all your weight loss issue in the quick and the easy manner. While turmeric has various components such as curcumin that enable the body to burn excess fat, lemon comes with its own set of effective properties to help to stay fit. Lemon is rich in a vitamin C that helps the body in burning fats. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrients, sufficient intake of the vitamin C can enable the body to burn about 30% more fats while exercising. So guys, that was some benefits of the ingredients. Now we are going to our second part of the video where I will let you know about the ingredients with the quantity. So guys, for this solution or tea, we have needed only 4 ingredients. Number 1, we have needed the organic turmeric powder. Number 2, we have needed the raw honey. Number 3, we have needed the lemon juice. And number 4, we have needed the water. So guys, now we will talk about the quantity of the ingredients. For our first ingredient, turmeric powder, we have needed half teaspoon, and for our second ingredient, raw honey, we have needed 1 tablespoon, and our third ingredient, lemon juice, we have needed 2 teaspoons, and our last ingredient, water, we have needed 2 cups. These were ingredients with the quantity. Now guys, we are going to our last part of the video where I will share with you the complete process how to make this tea to reduce your weight. This is 2-step method, and the step 1 is boil turmeric powder and water in a pan. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what you have to do for this step 1. Number 1, boil the water on the medium heat. Number 2, once it starts boiling, add turmeric and stir. Number 3, let the mixture boil for the 5 minutes. Number 4, turn off the stove. Number 5, strain and transfer the turmeric water in a cup while it's hot. So guys, that was our step 1. Now we are going to our step 2, and our step 2 is add raw honey and the lemon to the mixture. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what you have to do for this step 2. Number 1, add honey and the lemon juice to the mixture and stir. Number 1, it's not advisable to have turmeric on an empty stomach, as it may lead to acid reflux. Number 2, if you are on any kind of medication, consult your doctor before using turmeric for losing weight. Number 3, it is best to seek professional advice before taking turmeric supplement. Number 4, pregnant women and the nursing mother should avoid taking turmeric supplements. Number 5, an easy way to increase your daily turmeric consumption is by adding the spice to your food regularly. However, you must keep in mind that excessive turmeric will not only spoil the taste of your food but will also have adverse effects on your health. The recommended quantity is half to 1 tablespoon for each dish. So guys, that was the simple and the easy method how to prepare this tea and take it to lose your weight. So guys, here I'm gonna suggest you one thing: you may have this tea once a day to reduce your weight gradually. So guys, that was our video for today. Next time I'll come with some other useful solution. Till that time, take care.